Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Thoughts on Education, an initiative by College Dunia. Today we have Dr. Kusum Agarwal, Physiotherapy, Health Science of the Neotia University. A warm welcome to College Dunia, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, so ma'am, before I start with the Q&A, I would request you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
Okay, so my name is Dr. Kusum Agarwal, as ma'am has already said. I am in charge of physiotherapy department of the Neotia University. I have done my bachelor's from Assam, then master's from Jaipur, and currently I'm pursuing a PhD. I have like 5 years of clinical experience, and now this is my second academic job. So, which is in Neotia
Thank you so much for introducing yourself, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the latest program that you are offering in your department?
Actually, well, we are offering a lot of programs in the department, but the latest one that we are offering is that we are having a lot of project and outreach and research ongoing activities are there in the department. As a result of it, students are getting a lot of chances to go outside, to do hands-on practice on the patients, make a project out of it, present it to us, and if we like it, then we have a school called Skills School. So we give the project to the Skills School and then they present it on a higher platform. As a result of which, the students get opportunity to go out or get some funds. And those things are happening right now, which is something new for the department.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, if I talk about the benefits and career options that student will get after pursuing these courses, then what would be?
Ma'am, physiotherapy has like a very broad perspective of careers. Like, if I start right after bachelor's, they can go for clinic jobs, they can go for rehab centers, they can go for NGOs, or they can even get jobs in hospitals. But the moment you upgrade your degrees, the moment you go for doing masters or PhD, you can go for a lot of research activities, you can go abroad, you can practice, you can open your own clinic, like it's a sort of, what to say, it's like you can work under somebody, at the same time you can have your own business and employ a lot of people. So we have jobs in the hospitals, NGOs, rehab centers and all that. And apart from that, which is really coming up now is research activities. You can go to the research field, earn a lot of cash, make people aware of what is happening today. And also, we have something called electrotherapy. So now we are even having chances to build, new equipments. Like as you can see in the lab also, we are having a lot of new equipments which are there in the lab. So, if somebody comes into the research field, they can of course innovate new machines and, all the patients and we as faculties can also benefit from it.
Greatly said, ma'am. Ma'am, if I talk about the best practices, then what would be?
Best practices in what sense?
Best practices in what will be the best practices within these courses that student will get after pursuing these courses,
okay,
so that student who is sitting outside the Neotia University also get the insights about that.
Okay, so I think instead of just focusing on the physiotherapy, let me speak a little bit about the broader perspective that the university is offering. Okay, so number one, as I already said, that we are having a skills school, as a result of which the students are getting chance not just into the field of physiotherapy but also in other fields, where they can actually show their passion if they are interested in making some new robots or some new projects or any prototype that they want to make. In the skills school, skills school offers them new opportunities to work on that. Number one. Apart from this, we have, as I already said, we have a lot of projects and a lot of research activities, which is like the main focus of the school. So I think that is like the bestest opportunity the Neotia University is offering to the students.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And lastly, but not the least, I'd like to ask you, if I talk about, please give any advice to the students who want to pursue their courses in the Neotia University, then what would be?
I think the best advice would be like, it's not just a campus, it's a family, number one. So if you are planning to come to the university, I think this is like the bestest choice that you would be making, because apart from just education, we are having a lot of extra curricular activities. Like we have a lot of clubs like sports, dancing, singing, swimming, like just you name it, anything, and we have all those clubs in the university. So apart from just studies, you can actually focus on all the other clubs, and you can follow your passion at the same time your dream also. So it's like एक दिन में दो निशाना जो मारते हैं वो वाली चीज हो जाती है. So it's a good thing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been great interacting with you. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.